So these next two bullets are somewhat related, but discrimination and drug testing. So because cannabis is federally illegal, there's not necessarily protection federally. There's definitely not protection federally, but even at the state level for someone who has a medical cannabis card. So let's say you have a medical cannabis card because you suffer from chronic pain or crippling anxiety or epilepsy, and your employer drug tests and you fail that drug test. Are they allowed to fire you for failing a drug test when you're using medical cannabis that you are under state law allowed to use? The answer, unfortunately, is in many states, there's no protection for medical cannabis card holders. So there has been an evolving body of state law, it's really state court cases, I should say, that are cutting against this notion that companies can fire someone or refuse to hire them exclusively based on a failed drug test. So let me say that a bit differently. It used to be that if you had a drug testing policy and it was administered fairly and you weren't singling people out or discriminating, you could fire anyone, for failing a drug test, and you could refuse to hire someone who failed a drug test. Well, now that these state cannabis programs are so popular, we talked a few slides ago about how there's 39 of them. It's difficult for employers to do that without landing themselves in hot water. So there's 5 or 6 states now that the state courts, various state courts have said, okay, employers, it's not enough anymore to fire someone just based on a failed drug test or refuse to hire them based on a failed drug test. There has to be something more.